Hi, my name is Christian Shortemeyer, and we're here today at the 2019 Skills Canada National Competition in Halifax, Nova Scotia. At JDI, we have over 2,300 skilled trades employees in 28 types of skilled trades with lots of room to grow. And we're proud to support events like this because we're committed to growing skilled trades here at home.
Today I competed in the post-secondary welding competition, where we were judged on our ability to fit, weld, and interpret blueprints. This is my third year here. It's a great place to show off your skills and network with other industry professionals.
Today I competed in precision machining at Skills Canada Nationals. I had an awesome experience overall. It was a lot of fun, and I look forward to trying again next year.
I'm a millwright apprentice at Irving Pulp and Paper, and I'm here today with JDI to help show our support for skilled trades across Canada and help inspire the next generation. It's nice to be able to work with my hands and do something that I love every day. So I would encourage you to check out the skilled trades opportunities we have with JDI.